Where are we? This should be where the indigo bunting breeding grounds are.
You gotta be kidding.
Come on, guys. Why are you guys complaining? This has one of the highest concentrations of breeding male indigo buntings in the nation. Come on. We rode our bikes an hour to get here. We didn't go to multiple Halloween parties we were invited to. We didn't get free candy by going trick-or-treating. And you brought us to some creepy forest where there's good birds. I mean, just look around. This is perfect grounds for some nesting indigo bunting.
Oh, look at that hill, guys. That looks so cool. We could probably bike down that. Not like anything creepy goes wrong in the middle of the woods.
Okay, well, while you nerds are bird watching, me and Tom, pretty sure we have to use the bathroom after an hour-long ride, so...
You gotta do that.
Man, those weirdos.
Oh man, I have a bad feeling about this.
Bad feeling, man. Eric only has bad ideas, and why do we trust him, man? We were supposed to be trick-or-treating and going to parties, and we're bird watching in some woods.
He said that we were gonna do something fun, so I said, "Oh sure." I mean, it can't be like much worse than just walking around in costumes, right?
And of course, Jordy. You know, he's just always the positive guy, you know? Alright, well, pretty sure no one can see us. Alright, don't watch me though, you creep. You hear that? Man, someone just doesn't feel right here.
I told you before, this is not a good idea.
So what kind of birds do you think we'll find?
Indigo buntings mostly, maybe some painted buntings too. I mean, this wooded area with all these oak and hickory trees, it's perfect nesting ground for these indigo buntings. You done? I think we gotta get out of here. Where's my arrow? I think I see a nest up there. Go to that nest. Hopefully we can... Look at that, male and a female. We need to get out of here right now. Look at those pretty blue feathers. Oh, that one's kind of flipping and swinging.
But you mean they're about to...
Yeah.
What was that?
Brandon!
Tom! You okay? We gotta check this out.
I thought I heard Brandon scream.
Guys! We gotta go. We gotta get out of here. He took Teddy's arrow. He stabbed it. We gotta get out of here. He had a mask. We gotta get out of here, dude.
Dude, I know you're doing a Halloween prank on me.
This is just so sus, dude. You're the imposter.
Stupid man, I'm getting it.
What is this? 1 in 1,000 events. Seeing all.
What kind of joke is that?
Loser. Let's go see more of those indigo buntings. That one's pretty interesting. Oh, what loser.
Anyways, what is that? Brandon?
Guys! Brandon!
What happened?
I took him out here for the stupid birds.
Crap.
I got them
What's
killed.
going on here? Coward! Show yourself!
Jordy!
Get out of here! Get out of the bike! Daniel, get out of here!
Go here, Nelly. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go.
What?
Tom, you're right. We should have listened. We don't have any time to talk. He's right behind us. We gotta go.
You guys, come on.
Everyone up against the wall. Where'd you get that from?
Hell is
No time to talk. Stay over there. Get away! Daniel, run!
Since you were such a hero, I'll leave you here to suffer later. Tommy, you alright? Jordy. I'm here. I'm here. I don't have much time. Take these. Get out of here. Save Daniel. Call the police. No.
This is for my friends!